How do you disable the Find My app on the iPhone? So let me guide you through it. If you're new here or first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course, more ways how you can technically do it. Like if you open up the settings and go to your profile, and at the top you can find the Find My, and there is the ability to, for example, disable just sharing your location with the toggle there. Or you can as well tap on the toggle or menu at the top and turn off the Find My network, sending last location, or Find My iPhone feature in general. So obviously it's much more secure to have it turned on just in case anything happens to your phone, but you have the ability to disable it like this and make sure that it doesn't really work anymore. So as I say, it depends on the actual situation. So that's how you can turn it off. When it comes to the actual app, when you hold down on it, you can as well click on delete, and you can like remove it from the device if you would want it to. So that's again another option. And one more way to stop the location sharing with the app would be by opening up the main settings app. When if you go to the privacy and security and manage your location services, every single app has the ability to like enable or disable the location sharing, and obviously Find My is one of the list in here, so you can as well click on the never option and make sure that even if you have the app, you're going to decide that it's not going to share or know your location to begin with. So that is another way how you can disable the Find My. I hope it helps. If you found this video helpful, just hit the thumbs up to let me know, and I hope to see you later in future videos too.